Today we're exploring network slicing, a 5G standalone feature that will transform how organizations connect. Network slicing allows carriers to divide the 5G spectrum into multiple, completely virtualized networks, each optimized for a specific purpose. Think of it like slices of a pie. Each piece is customized to meet the demands of its use case. One slice is a high bandwidth slice for transmitting large files, like MRI images or video streams. Another is a low latency slice for real-time applications like remote-controlled machinery or autonomous vehicles. There's an IoT slice for connecting thousands of devices like sensors in a smart factory or city, and a priority slice for ensuring high-performance connectivity in a dedicated network just for public safety. The last slice supports the emerging use case of live event broadcasting, which requires the high bandwidth and reliability of 5G standalone to deliver flawless video streams to large audiences. Each slice operates independently, preventing interference or performance bottlenecks. Network slicing also enhances security. Each slice is isolated, meaning a breach in one slice doesn't affect the others. This built-in security is especially crucial for industries like healthcare, where patient data must be protected, or manufacturing, where operational continuity is critical. So, how does it work? Your cellular carrier of choice provisions these slices and delivers them to your modem. For advanced capabilities like prioritizing traffic and enforcing granular security policies, you need the power of Ericsson Cradlepoint routers and NetCloud SASE. Network slicing is evolving rapidly. We're moving toward a world where multiple network slices can run simultaneously on a single modem and SIM card. This means businesses will have greater flexibility to customize their network.